condition and the asynchronous input which is preset and clear, all that we completed in the previous session. Now coming to this class, this session, we will take up the setup time, hold time in flip-flops. What is setup time, hold time in flip-flops? What is the propagation delay in flip-flop? What is the propagation delay in flip-flop? So if you see, if I take any flip-flop, let me take JK flip-flop. Let me take JK flip-flop. So inputs we have J and K. Output we have Q and Q bar. This is JK flip-flop. Input is JK and then output is Q bar. We will have a clock signal also. We will have a clock signal also. If it is positive clock without bubble, it is positive clock. If bubble is given here, that is negative edge triggering. Okay, this is positive edge triggering. So first I will take positive edge triggering. Already in the previous sessions we discussed what is positive edge triggering. When the rising edge is there, so this is the clock signal. This is the clock signal. Output is generated at the rising edge. Okay, this is positive edge triggering. This is positive edge triggering. Outputs will be generated only when the clocks are in the rising edge. Only when the clocks are in the rising edge, there will be change in the output generated by the flip-flop. Okay. So the horizontal one, the level triggering. Horizontal is level triggering, positive level, negative level. The arrow mark what I have written is positive edge triggering. Positive edge triggering. Negative edge means on the other side, downward direction, that is negative edge triggering. So coming to the setup time, hold time. Setup time, hold time. It will come at the input side of the JK flip-flops. So input side we will have setup time and hold time at the input side of the flip-flops. Output side we will have propagation delay. Output side we will have propagation delay. First we will check what is this setup time and hold time. First we will check what is this setup time and hold time. Setup means I have taken JK flip-flop. I am giving J input. I am giving J input. This is J input. But clock is not provided for the flip-flop. Clock is not provided for the flip-flop. So clock is provided after the input. For example, clock is provided somewhere here. This is the clock signal. This is the clock signal. So only after clock is given, the input will be detected by the flip-flop. Input will be detected by the flip-flop only after clock is given. So if you take already input is available from this time and this is the time where clock is provided. So this is the amount of time required for detecting the input. This is called setup time. Input is setup. This is called setup time. Okay. So if you see both are positive going, clock is positive going. Okay. Particularly positive edge triggering means for the clock we will talk, this is the rising edge. This is the rising edge of the clock. Okay. So in the positive edge triggering I am talking, setup time is like this. Clock is given a little bit late compared to the input. This is about setup time. Now I am going to hold time. Okay. So hold time means this is the J input. This is the J input. It is coming down to lower level. This is J input. This is the center, higher level to lower level. Shifting is completed. And if you see, this is the clock signal. Still I am maintaining clock as positive. Still if you see I am maintaining clock as positive. How I am telling it positive? It is rising edge. Okay. So clock is given here, but input is still in the higher amplitude only. Amplitude is hold. This is hold time. Clock is given first. Okay, still input is in the higher level without jumping to the lower level. So it is happening with a delay. That is called hold time. Okay. So hold time means input is hold on. Even after the clock is given. This is called hold time. Everything I have discussed with positive edge triggering. Negative edge triggering means only thing what you have to do is negative, only clock you have to reverse. Input and output is same. This is about positive edge triggering. If you take negative edge triggering, I will go with input, I will maintain the same. Input J signal, I will maintain the same. This is J. But input is detected after clock is given. This is the clock signal, but this is negative clock, negative going clock. So input is already given at this point. Clock is given at this point. Only after clock input is detected. This is the setup time. Provided the clock is negative going clock. Which means falling edge. Okay, decreasing clock. So in the clock signal here, this decreasing negative going is nothing but negative edge triggering. This is negative edge triggering. Okay, that is what I have written on the bottom. Now if you see similarly, whole time you can try, or input you can maintain the same. This is J input. Already clock is given before input going to low level. This is the clock signal, but the height of the input is retaining even after clock is given. This is hold time. Input is retained even after clock is given. It is not jumping immediately. Okay, so this is the negative edge triggering, hold time and setup time. Above the horizontal line, it is positive edge triggering, hold time and setup time. All this setup and hold time will come at input side of the flip-flop. You will get the hold time, setup time. At output side of flip-flop, you will get propagation delay. Now I am going to the discussion of propagation delay. Now I will take with the positive edge triggering. I will discuss what is this. What is this propagation delay means at the output side of the flip-flop. Positive edge triggering means clock should be provided. Clock is given, positive going clock is given. This is clock signal. Center point we will take, and then output. I am talking about the output. Okay, output side propagation delay will come. So I will talk about Q, not Q bar, but Q. So this is the Q output. Already clock is given for the flip-flop at this point, but Q output is going to low level to high level. This is lower amplitude, this is higher amplitude for Q. Q is jumping from low level to higher level. Okay, so this is the time delay. Propagation delay. Okay, for the output to go from lower level to high level. You may have come across this terminology in different subjects, or further in your third year, final year, you may come across this terminology. This is the propagation delay for the output going from lower voltage to higher voltage. Okay, clock is given, but output is going little late. Similarly, positive edge triggering clock is given, but the output is going little delay with respect to the clock. This is the Q output. Clock is already given here, so output is ready to be obtained, but it is going with a delay. This is from high voltage to low voltage it is moving, and hence this is the delay, TP, delay from higher voltage to lower voltage. This is about positive edge triggering. Similarly, you can try, okay, you just think of and try how to draw the negative edge triggering. In both the cases, you can see clock is given first. Okay, but output is coming with some delay. Similarly, I will go with the negative edge triggering. Parallelly, you can try. Clock should be negative going. And now output is coming with some delay. It is moving from low voltage to high voltage. This is the clock signal. Already clock is ready here. Output can be taken, but output is coming with some delay. This is the propagation delay. Output is going from low voltage to high voltage. Okay, this is in the case of negative edge triggering. clock is negative going clock. And again I will consider clock is negative going, clock is negative going, but now output is moving from higher voltage to lower voltage, but with some delay. Instantly when clock is ready, output should be ready, but it is coming with some delay. Hence this time, this is propagation delay for the output moving from higher voltage to lower voltage. Okay. So this terminology you will come across in different subjects. Below the horizontal line, it is negative edge triggering. Above the horizontal line, it is positive edge triggering. What I told you in the flip-flop input side, we will come across hold time and then setup time. At the output side, we will come across low to high voltage, high to low voltage propagation, delays, positive and negative edge triggering. We have discussed in all these cases.